Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Filmora AI Video Generator. So first you have to download the Filmora AI from its website or from the Microsoft Store. Once you have it, simply open it up. Once the Filmora gets open, there you will see we have different options such as features. And along with that, we have the three dots at the right end. Once you click onto it, other features will come up and most of them are AI based. You can see the AI based on these videos or these features. So these are related to AI and you can use any one of these. Everything here has a different purpose that it performs. I'm going to use this one, which is AI text to video. Simply click onto it and it will ask you for sign in. Simply do it and this tab will open. Here you have to give a prompt. A prompt is simply whatever you want the video to be created in. Simply type it. It can be anything, whatever is in your imagination. Just simply write up there and it will generate a video on what you have written here. Once you're done typing your prompt, you can select the language. There are different languages available. You can select any language, and after that you can also select these option like this is the voice of the narrator. And after that you can also use this aspect ratio option. Once you're done with all that, click on generate and the generation period will start. This will take up to 2 to 3 minutes based on your internet speed. Once it gets generated, you can play the video. You can see it has added b-rolls, narration, storytelling, effects, stock images, and a lot more that we find in a good video. So this is how its text to video feature works. Other than that, we have a lot of different AI features that you can use. So that's how you can use Filmora AI Video Generator. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.